Yeah, I got a short video here about what you can do if you have a Bluetooth earbud, headphones, speaker connected to your Windows, for example, Windows 11, and it's not working. You can see that it's connected, maybe heard even some announcement from the speaker that it's connected or trying to connect or connecting whatsoever. But even when you have confirmation that it's connected, then it's still not working. So I think this has changed in the last time. Probably Microsoft has changed something, or it's just me, I don't know. But at least I've found a workaround, and this is how it works for me the easiest way. So we hit the Windows key and then type mix. So we have the sound mixer options here. And so I want to use the Teatronic earbuds, but you can see in the output device setting here, there's just the normal speaker. So why is that? I mean, actually two things are important, the volume mixer and the Bluetooth. And the good thing, when you start with volume mixer, then you can easily go to the left side and click on Bluetooth settings. So that's what you want. And so usually you can just see connected for your Bluetooth device, for your speaker, for your headphones, or your earbuds. And so you don't have to do anything. Just wait here a couple of seconds, maybe 10 seconds, worst maybe 20 seconds. Usually it works for me after 5 or 10 seconds, and it then switches automatically to connected audio. I don't know why this is not automatically done. This really only happens when I invoke this menu. I don't know why this is. Maybe it's just a bug in my installation. Maybe it affects everybody. So I just wanted to make this video in case other people have the same problem. And so now when it shows connected audio, we don't have to search for the other menu. We can just go back here on the left top, hit the back. And now here in the output device setting, we can click and select the speaker, headphone or earbuds. If it's not automatically here, sometimes it will be automatically assigned, but sometimes you just have to change it, for example, from this one to the Bluetooth earbuds, like in my case, and from then they are working properly. At least this is the case when I do it. And so I have to do this really every time when I take the earbuds out of the charging cradle. I don't know why that is, if there was really a change from Microsoft or if it's just here and me. But anyway, I will just post this video to see if I can help also other people. And so that's it for now. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have found a better solution, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.